Hello my Poraholic friends, Loida here from loveacrylicpainting.com. Welcome to my channel again. Today we are doing another geode, but I'm going to be using some really fun colors. So we'll see how it turns out. Sometimes I have these great ideas or I envision something that I want to accomplish. Sometimes it doesn't work out that great and sometimes it does. So let's see if this is going to be one of those nice surprises. So let me show you what I have here. I made some paint mixtures already. This one right here is this ultramarine color from Master's Touch, but you can find ultramarine colors in other brands. This one is an emerald green from artist Loft. I had another emerald green from a different brand and it wasn't as bright as this one, so I decided to go with this one. And I also mixed in a little bit of this color shift from Folk Art. This color is Emerald Flash. So yeah, emerald green, emerald flash. I just combined some of these two because I wanted the green paint to have a little bit of a sparkle. I wanted it to be a metallic paint, and since I didn't have metallics other than this one, but I wanted it to be more of a light green, so that's why I combined this with this, just so that it was a lighter green but with a little bit of shine. Now this one is medium yellow from Daler Rowney. And then this one, or these two, are just white from Artist Loft, the Flow Acrylic, mixed in with a tiny bit of light blue. So it's not completely white, it's just kind of like an off-white. It has a very light blue tint. I just didn't want the white to just like be completely white. So okay, let's start with our painting. And I was thinking of doing or organizing the colors in, so I was thinking of doing blue, green, yellow, and then the off-white. Let me just get some of these. We're gonna have to get these off of my painting canvas. Oh, and this one, I actually got it from a secondhand store. So as you can see, it's a typewriter, I guess. And it was just super cheap. It was a really nice, sturdy canvas, you know, square canvas, very thick. So I really liked it and it was super cheap. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try and see if I can make something beautiful with this used canvas. Okay, let me just get my colors a little bit closer to me so I'm not reaching over all the way over there. Okay, so let's get started and see how this goes. Okay, I wanted to do puddles again, you know. Maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 puddles, like maybe, yeah, 3 big puddles, and then tilt. So let's go with that and see how it turns out. Let's start with our blue. Yeah, maybe one here, and maybe, another one here. Hopefully I made enough paint. If not, we're gonna have to mix a quick batch in the middle of our painting, but I'm hoping I did. Now, the consistency of my paint is a little bit thicker than usual because I did a painting before this one, basically another geode, and the paint was not super thin. It was just like my regular consistency, but even though it turned out pretty, I wanted the lines to be a little bit more defined. And so I thought, well, let's just do that for this one. Let's not make it as thin so that we can get more lines and less mixing, like less paint mixing. So we'll see how this turns out.